Hi fellas, another a dull moment. Still recouping. 100-year flood here. I've never seen it this high. I had to relocate the dogs. Save that one, he's fine, they're all fine, they're all tough. Still dealing with the shingles. Once in a while I get a lightning bolt. There's the shop, you can't even see it. Look at this tree. This is for someone you're high, you know. Nah, I gotta do it. Okay, well, I'm gonna thin it all out, right? So just be the trunk. 2 trees came down. Look, too. There's 2 trunks here. I'm lucky it did only that much damage. I can fix them. I mean, it's right now, if the tree wasn't there, I can patch this. I go to Lowe's, boom, boom, boom. I haven't seen a flood like here. This is way over the top. I don't know what's going on. We made sure that was high. It'll never go. I'm still weak. I'm still getting lightning bolts here and there. Don't want to eat. But when this kind of shit hits, the switch goes off in my head. You know? You know what I mean? Lock and low, baby. I can't build another bridge, man. This is buckled in. This snaps when I'm on it, I'm dead. I built it good though, huh? I've taken a lot of logs off already. I can't keep doing it. You saw how low it was. Look how high it is. That's all my land to it. Alright, if this goes, I can't build another one. It's buckled pretty good. The structure's strong. But still. Once in a lifetime flood, twice, I don't know. Anyhow, I put another, not a recap, whatever it's called, about my shingles, which is still driving me nuts. This is all within the same 4 or 5 weeks, 4 weeks. It's coming up on, it's 4 weeks. Did a lot of work already. Couldn't even see it before. But as you can see, it's all being supported. This thing goes all the way to the creek. Even I can't see it all, but so I gotta be careful. That's the part that busted through the roof up there, but I gotta take care of that. So I got a lot of work, fellas. When I got done yesterday, I felt good. And this one I felt like I did weights all day, but this is massive tonnage. Massive tonnage. See the trees here? So I got a lot of work ahead of me. Deadly work if I screw up. 2 trees blasted together. And you see that? So, got a lot of work. Where's it better this? Maybe I'm in the wrong way to do it, but anyhow. The creek's down there. So once I save the roof, because it's going to rain tomorrow, and then little by little, I'll take care of this. Never a dull moment. Still getting lightning bolts, but only to maybe 5 or 7, so I'm okay. Alright, fellas. even have leaves in your hole here. Look at that. The mad scientist. Did I do it? I can look into your shop now, I did. I don't know which is the best way with this. I figure right over the top. Right over the top. All right, give me a broom. I'm gonna sweep this up and I'll lay out the top. Well, I got that patch up for now. But I got a lot of work to do. But, you know what I mean? Alright. Not bad for an old man.